class 166 or 36 of Mechatronics chapter 3 ADC, analog to digital converter. Here the symbol is like this. Analog input means single line, digital output it will have one bit also. Okay, one bit will not be there, so it will be have, usually we will have 4 bit, 8 bit, like that. Okay, you can have 1 bit, 2 bit, 3 bit, 4 bit. So but usually you will have more number of bits, hence you should show here more number of lines. This is the diagram. This is a symbol which is usually used as a short symbol. Okay, this is the better symbol. Both are used. Now we will see the block diagram. Okay, so there are main steps: sample and hold, quantize and encoding. 4 steps are there. Okay, usually these two will be done together and the next two. First we will see the quantizing, then we will see the other things. Suppose say it is a 3-bit ADC, means in the output you have 3 bits. We can call those bits as D0, D1 and D2. D0, D1 and D2. Okay, means LSB, MSB. D0, D1, D2. And analog input which can vary from 0 to 8 volt. Say this is called as V reference. V reference means maximum voltage which can come in the analog side, means maximum analog voltage that can be applied to the ADC, or that the maximum voltage which you get in the environment. Accordingly you have to select ADC. So if you assume it is 8 volt, reference voltage is 8 volt, and if it is a 3-bit ADC, you have 8 distinct steps, 8 quantization, 8 levels of quantization, because 3-bit means 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8, 0 0 0 to 1 1 1. So for each code you have to quantize or define the voltage level. So you have to divide this V reference into 8 equal quantas: 0 to 1 volt, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, like that. Suppose if you take V reference as 16 volt, then each quanta will be 2 volt, 0 to 2, 2 to 4, like this up to 14 to 16. You can have even 10 volt also V reference. If it is 10 volt, divide 10 by 8, you will get 1.25 volt. So 0 to 2, 1.25 volt, 1.25 to 2 volt, 2.5 volt, 2.5 volt to 3.75 volt, like that. It will go from 8.75 volt to 10 volt. So this is called as quantization, means the ADC should be designed such that any voltage within 1 volt, any analog voltage appearing within less than 1 volt, output will be 0 0 0. Output will be 0 0 0. Means if voltage here it is 0 to 1 volt. If it is a 3-bit ADC, there will be only 3 lines, D0, D2, D1 and D2. It will be 0, 0, 0. Forget other lines. Okay. If the voltage is 1 to 2 volt, output will be 0, 0, 1. So if the voltage here is 1 to 2 volt, say 1.5 volt or 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, whatever it is, 1 to 2, then this will be 0, 0, 1. LSB 1, MSB 0. So like that it will be like it will be like that. This is the logic, is it not? This is the basic logic. There will be error. This is called as quantization error. Means from 0 to 1 volt, output will be same. The ADC cannot identify any variation within a quanta. 0 volt up to 0.99 volt, the output will be 0 volt only. From 1 to 2 volt, it will be 001 only. So for each quanta you define a code in sequence, in ascending or descending order. So this is called as quantization. Okay, fine. Now there are 4 blocks here: sample, hold, quantize and encoding. See, we have quantized as well as encoded here. Dividing this 8 volt into 8 steps is called as quantization. And coding means 000, 001. So this is the ADC output. Final output should be like this. Means here 000 means here you will get 0 volt, 0 volt, 5 volt. 010 means 0 volt, 5 volt, 0 volt, because 1 means 5 volt, you know that, for TTL logic. Now